Hey guys, this is Decelation, and today we're working on the Factory 5 hot rod truck. My man Brian is back again. Glutton for punishment, aren't you there?
3 days this week, you know, I gotta
Hey man, we're
trying something new.
we're crushing this. We're gonna crush this. So tell the people what you're working on.
I got a whole mix of things I'm working on today. We gotta change around the location of some bits and pieces on the firewall. We gotta find somewhere to put a heater control valve so we can have heat that we're not, because he's not gonna drive it in the wintertime. And then we got some more gaskets and fittings and stuff to try to get this passenger side exhaust to run back the way it's supposed to. So I'll be laying on the ground for most of the day trying to get that to work. It should be fun.
Nice. And today I'm gonna be working on just something simple, just doing this paneling, and once I finish this paneling, I'm going to fabricate a shield for I'm gonna fabricate a shield for my fuel swirl pot to keep it kind of isolated from the battery. So that'll be a fun little project as well. And yeah, that still works. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna get to work. Hey, so that was not exactly how this video went, but stay tuned. We do get some stuff done. Scheduling and issues we ran into. Brian wasn't able to help me finish this video, so it's kind of just me solo, like the good old days. Nah, I kind of missed him. So, but yeah, stay tuned. Hey, so you see, got these panels nice and riveted in and nice and solid. So yeah, that's not going anywhere. So now the next clip you'll see is me working on the exhaust and getting that mounted in on the passenger side because of the issues we were having. All right, guys, so now that you see me struggle and get the exhaust mounted, let me kind of show you guys what's going on, why I did this side with mounting the muffler and the exhaust pipe without mounting the header part. So you kind of see here this will mount up right here. But this gapping, I mean, you can make up the gap with spacers, but it's also not aligned. So the easiest way to do this is what I'm going to do. Get this piece remade, this elbow piece, and then this will be perfectly fitting without having to worry about spaces or anything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold off on finishing the exhaust. I'm probably gonna just attach these, detach this piece on both sides and just come straight down pipe from the header so I can still have my O2 sensor bung for the wideband. So we're gonna just run from the manifolds out of this, and then we can get the truck started and do what we got to do. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at right now. I really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. If you like the video, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if it doesn't automatically hit for you, and smash that like button. Have a good one.